Informative.
Exceptional.
Enlightening.
Engaging.
Motivational and inspirational.
It's amazing to see how this conference has evolved over the last couple of years. The first time I went to it, it was in Calgary, and now I'm here in Toronto in April, so the weather is definitely much more palatable.
Not only you get 2 days out networking with lots of different people from all across North America, but learning how to just work in the workplace with the recruiting department, even if it wasn't their field.
Events like this generally exist for human resource functions, but they're not specific to talent acquisition. So if you're a recruiter and looking for new ways to do things and revamp the old ways of doing things, this is definitely the best place to be.
I think a variety of people could benefit. I think anyone right from straight direct sourcing all the way to a vice president level. Just with the sheer caliber of people that are here and the range of people, the conversations that have been going on, I think it can lend a lot of strategy and a lot of hands-on knowledge.
You can't get the content and you can't get the speakers anywhere else in Canada. It was definitely worth the investment to come here and again have access, one-on-one access sometimes to some people who know so much more about recruitment than I do.
There's so much value and content from a conference like this, from everyone that you meet, to the new connections that you have, to the information that you learn.
The Top Talent Summit is an excellent conference to stay on top of what the emerging trends are in recruitment and also meet people in the industry.
The topics are really relevant to what's happening in recruitment right now. So again, there's really tangible takeaways and lots of things that you can take back to your company and apply right away.
I think if you're involved in the talent acquisition space in Canada, you have to be here. Great tips, great speakers, great information from other peers, extremely valuable.
It was an excellent conference in the way that everything clicked, we were going from session to session, and it was very, very well organized.
I think that the content was excellent. My only criticism is I couldn't actually attend every single session. So I would want an extra 2 days and go to everything. Everything's fantastic. Probably the best conference I think I've actually ever attended. You do get so much more when it's face-to-face and you're having that feedback. So I sort of feel like thousands and thousands of dollars probably worth of practical information.